Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and at the cover of the box you will find here another little white box, so just remove it like this, and then at the back of it you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just release it here to the top. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having your phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, here on the other side of the SIM tray. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always written here in the middle. Let's start now with the first SIM card. Place it like this, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay. And as I've said, if you want, you can enter also a second SIM card. For that, just turn the SIM tray here. And don't wonder, the first SIM card will always fill out. This is a general problem here at a SIM tray. So if you want to have two SIM cards, always start with the second one. So just press it well. And this is how it should look like then. So there's as well a missing corner here at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. Same like at the first one. And the contacts, they are on top. Okay, let me enter now the first one again. Okay, and if you're ready with anyhow with one or two SIM cards, then just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.